Good morning. This is Claudio Pitbull taking the infested hiker. Hectic. So now we're stretching for a while and looking for some hiker that's coming up, and I see nobody. So let's go. Today is a good day, better day. So this is, you can see, a lot of zigzag in a tree, shaded tree. So that's why a lot of hikers going here. It's shaded, not like the other trail. One, and there you go. That's the one I'm telling you. So let's watch our speed here. We don't want to kill somebody. And there's the top again. Beautiful, right? It is beautiful. Wash it. Only one more right there. And one. There's two. Three hiker. There. And 4, 5, 6. Hello. Sometimes you need to die. 7. They don't like me here. I don't. 8 and 9. And as you can see, this early morning, not fun to go down there. You're gonna kill somebody. But for Claudio Pitbull, there's the inside rat that they call him. A lot of more big rats. Oh my God. Aray! And you can see the branch on the tree with my helmet. I'm too tall for this bike. And you see very, very steep. And I see 9 hiker already. And now it's like 10 and 11 hiker. And they passed. Thank you. They like to see that. Somebody's biker dying. And 11. This is 13. Sometimes it's good to go there. A lot of beautiful women. So it's better to go here. And that's 15. And it's very fun. 15, 16, 17, and 18 hikers. So you can see, I don't know if it's illegal. And 20, 21, 21, and more counting to go. They don't hate, they so hate me here, going down here. Too bad, I pay my tithes next too. And there's the 23. Thank you. You should do the thank you thing. We're almost down there. So we're good. 23 hiker. And more counting. This is electric. This is called Rocky Motion. 20, 25, 26. Oh my God. Like more. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Thank you. 35. 10 more counting. 36. Unbelievable. And they say unbelievable too about going down there. This guy is packing nuts. And there you go. That's the hectic, infested hiker. They say that to me too. This is Claudio Pit from Pink Purple Bike. As you can see. Oh my God.